Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will work with several free and paid objects. Let's start with Google Translate. I place some text here. Let's see some options. We can choose the language, website language. In our case, that's English. Now let's see what we've got. We can see drop-down list. Here are a lot of languages. We can select language to which we need to translate our site, not just this text, but all page. Just wait. And here we've got the translation. Let's see another similar object. Bing translation. We can choose some styles. Here is the button. We can select a language. And now we can see that the page was translated to Russian language. The next object is poll. You can enter here your question, enter some answers, and people can vote for them. You need to connect database. Let's see the result, but we will look in the built-in browser. So here we've got our question. Here is answers. Vote. Let's change some settings. Let's choose pie chart. Now we can select multiply answers and see this chart. The next object is font Avasam icons. It will help you to place beautiful icons with links. We have a lot of category here. For example, Firefox. We can change the color. We can change size. We can set link or some other action. Now let's see the result. Here we can see our icon. It's responsive. Pay attention, this is not an image, this is character. So let's insert another character. We can change background, border radius, so that's how it works. Next object is Testimonial. Here we can switch between 4 styles. We can set an image, for example, photo. We can change text color, or background color, border color, this one. We can change the text here, set the link, but let's see what we've got on the page. This is one object. Let's insert one more object. Select another style. Here we can add data, for example, today. Let's insert another row and another object. Choose another style. Also, we can add data. Let's change the height. And one more. It's better to place it on the separate row. So, in this way, you can create some testimonial box and show it on the site. In the next video, we will talk about useful object and settings that will help you in site creation. Subscribe to my channel to learn about new videos on time.